Hey guys, welcome back. We're pulling our cayenne peppers, drying them out, and turning it into pepper oil. Pepper oil has a couple different uses. You can use it as a marinator or a salad dressing, or to spice up any dish as a condiment. And I use it to add a little bit of spicy fat to my hot sauce. The fat helps give the hot sauce a nice lingering burn. Ingredients are pretty simple. You need a cup of canola oil, 3 tablespoons of chili flakes, which we'll be making ourselves, a dash of salt, 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Once you've dehydrated your red peppers or your cayenne peppers, you're going to place them into a food processor to grind it all down to make your red pepper flakes. Now add all of the dry ingredients to a medium-sized bowl that can withstand a little bit of heat. Now you're going to heat the oil over medium heat, bringing it between 180 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the hot oil over the chili flakes and listen to a sizzle. Now mix and allow it to cool. I'm using a whisk to add a little bit more air to help the oil cool down just a little faster. Once it's cooled down enough, you're going to transfer it over to a glass container. And if you're using a funnel, more than likely all of the red pepper flake mixture will get stuck. I use a bamboo skewer to kind of push everything through and into the bottom. You can use this mixture immediately, or it'll last about 3 months or longer if you keep it in the refrigerator. And that is it for our pepper oil. Now the remainder of the cayenne peppers that we dried out in the dehumidifier, we are grinding them all up to make more red pepper flakes, and we're going to be storing them in mason jars with desiccant packs. We are going to try to keep as much of this as we can. My goal is to fill this jar so we have red pepper flakes for the next couple of years. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.